If you're ever with a tour guide in Belfast and they take you up University Street, chances are they will tell you that this block of buildings behind me was built as a false front for the visit of Queen Victoria in 1849. But that's not true. So what the tour guides won't show you is this side. So this is Mount Charles, and this is the other side of the buildings that we were just looking at on University Street. What they actually are is a double frontage. So the buildings behind me are the actual fronts of the 9 buildings that were put up. The other side is a fake front that was designed to look like a real front, but the reason it was done was not in order to hide slum locations from Queen Victoria. Now, Queen Victoria did visit Belfast. She visited in August 1849. And yes, there was an awful lot of work done around the city to make improvements, to make sure that it was as appealing to her as possible. She was coming to visit the university, which had been built and was named in her honour. When you go past, you can see the gaps through some of the windows, and behind it looks like there's a space where a house should have been and isn't there anymore. And when I came to start looking at the history a little bit more, I went looking for the records of when these were actually built, and the truth is actually a bit different. These buildings behind me weren't actually erected until 10 years after Queen Victoria's visit in 1859. A man called Mr. Hughes had these built up, and the whole attraction of them was that although they were quite small for the time, as sort of townhouses went, they had this double frontage with that wall at the back looking like a front that would have concealed the yard space from the public and actually would have made it quite private. These were quite nice houses as things went. The rent at the time was about £40-50 a year. It's about £5,500 in today's money, which for the Queen's area of Belfast is very good. I'd certainly be looking at them. But they were quite nice houses. They weren't hiding anything slummish. That's a story that the tour guides will tell you and is absolute nonsense.